So welcome here student. Today I am going to start the question number 8. It is given that a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. So here a floor having the 16 tiles and each are in the shape of triangle, and the sides of the triangle is given 9, 28 and 35, and you need to find the cost at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. So first you need to find the area of one tile. So here I am going to find side of the tiles are given. A equal to 9 centimeter, B equal to 28 centimeter and C equal to 35 centimeter. Then S equal to 9 plus 28 plus 35 upon 2. You will add all the three and that will be divided by 2. So it is equal to, if you are going to add, that will be 72 upon 2, that is equal to 36. So the value of S is 36. Now you will find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A equal to 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9, that is equal to 27. Now S minus B, it is equal to 36 minus 28, that is equal to 8, and S minus C, that is equal to 36 minus 35, that is equal to 1. So here I got the value of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now I am going to find the area of one tile. So area of one tile, that is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Yeah, it is equal to under root S, it is I got that 36 into S minus A is 27, so into 27, S minus B is 8 and S minus C is 1. So here you need to find the square root, so write the numbers in the factors form. So 36 can be written as 2, 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 3 ja 36. So that is the factors of 36. 27, the factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27. 8 can be written as 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 1. Now make the pairing. 2 is in the pair, 3, 3, 2. So these numbers are in the pair. So you will pick one number. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. 2, one number here, 3, 3 and 2. And what is the numbers which are unpaired? That is 3 into 2. So that is equal to 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18, 2 ja 36 root 6 centimeter square. So area of the one tile is 36 root 6 centimeter square. And how many tiles are there? 16 tiles are there. So area of 16 tiles, that is equal to 16 into 36 root 6 centimeter square. But students, you need to find the cost, so you need to find the value of root 6. So if you are going to find the value of root 6 by the long division method, that will be approximately equal to 16 into 36 into root 6 will be approximately equal to 2.45. 2.45. You need to find the square root of root 6, that will be 2.45. Now you need to multiply all these values. So if you are going to multiply all these values, so it is equal to just multiply that, and after multiplication you will get it is equal to 1411.2 centimeter square. So just multiply that and you will get that is equal to 1411.2 centimeter square. Now that is the total area of the tiles, and you need to find the cost, and cost is given 50 paisa per centimeter square. So total cost, it is equal to, that is 50 paisa. So 50 paisa can be written as 50 paisa equal to half rupees. So I am going to find it in the rupees. So half into 1411.2. 50 paisa equal to 1 by 2 rupees. So that is equal to, if you are going to divide, it will be equal to rupees 705.60. So 50 paisa equal to half rupees. So I had converted 50 paisa in the rupees, that is equal to 1/2 into that total area, that is equal to rupees 705.6 rupees. So that is the total cost. So now students, here it is the last question, question number 9 of exercise 12.2. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter and the non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Here I have drawn the diagram for that question. ABCD, suppose that it is a trapezium whose parallel sides are, one side is parallel side is 25 and second is 10 meter. Non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. You need to find the area of that trapezium. So students, the formula what is used for the area of the trapezium, that is area of the trapezium equal to half sum of parallel side into height. So here both the parallel sides are given, only height is missing. So first you need to find the height of that trapezium. So here I am going to draw a line parallel to DA from point C. So here I am going to draw a line segment that is parallel to DA and from point C. Suppose that it is E. So C is parallel to DA and AECD, it is 10 meter. So it will be also 10 meter. Reason is that these two opposite sides are parallel and these two are also parallel. So here from here to here it will be 10 meter. In that here it will form a parallelogram. So in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So if it is 10 then it will be 10. If it is 14 then it will be also 14 meter. So here it is 14. Now what will be the length of BE? From here to here 25 meter, AE is 10 meter, so BE equal to 25 minus 10, that will be 15 meter. So BE is 15 meter. From here if I am going to draw a perpendicular, that is suppose that CM, so CM will be the height for this triangle as well as height for the that trapezium also. So we need to find the CM, that will be the height of that trapezium. So here in triangle CEB I am having all the three sides. So we are able to find the area of the triangle CEB. So here I am going to find the area of the triangle CEB. So for triangle CEB, three sides are 14 meter, 13 meter and 15 meter. So S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is equal to 14 plus 13 plus 15 upon 2. If you are going to add 4, 3, 7, 5, 12 and it will be 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 42 upon 2, that is equal to 21 centimeter. So here I got the value of S, that is 21 centimeter. Now I am going to find the area of, first I am going to find S minus A. S minus A equal to 21 minus 14, that is equal to 7. S minus B, it is equal to 21 minus 13, that is equal to 8. And S minus C, it is equal to 21 minus 15, it is equal to 6. So here I got the value of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now I am going to find the area of the triangle. So area of triangle CEB, that is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Here it is equal to under root S is 21, so 21 into S minus A 7 into S minus B 8 into S minus C 6. Now write the numbers in pairs. 21 can be written as 3 into 7. 7 is already here. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now you need to make the pairing. 7 is in the pair, this 2 is in the pair, 2 is in the pair and 3 is also in the pair. So pick one number from each pair. So it can be written as 3 into 7 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 2 to the 4, 3 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. So that is equal to, sorry, 2 to the 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 7 ja 84 centimeter square. So that is equal to 84 centimeter square. Now area of the triangle, one more formula is there. Area of the triangle CB equal to half base into height. So that can be written as half base is there EB into height for that triangle will be CM. It is equal to 84. Half base into height. Height is cm here. So half the length of EB is 15 into cm equal to 84. Then cm equal to 84 into 2 upon 15. So the length of the cm will be this. So find the value of this. It is equal to, if you are going to find this value, it will be equal to 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16 upon 15, and it will be equal to 11.2 centimeter. So if you are going to calculate it, it will be 11.2 centimeter. So cm is the height of that triangle. Cm is the height of that triangle, and it will be also the height of that trapezium also. Cm is also the height of the trapezium. So you can write area of the trapezium. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel side, sum of parallel side, sum of parallel sides into height. Yeah, it is equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides. Here parallel sides are 10 and 25. So 10 plus 25 into height, I got that 11.2. Now it will be equal 10 plus 25. 1 by 2 into 10 plus 25, 35 into 11.2. Here it can be cancelled. It will be 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. So 35 into 5.6. You need to multiply it, and if you are going to multiply, it will be equal to 196 centimeter square. So that is the area of the trapezium. So it is the complete solution of the question number 9. And now students, that 12.2 exercise is going to be completed, and it is the last exercise of the Heron's formula also. It means your Heron's formula chapter is going to be completed today.